Hi, this is Ling. This is the valve assembly. If you're interested, follow me. VCINT rust bags. The label, the Shumatt logos. If you want the other logo, contact us. The logo, the label, the packaging bag, and so on. Yes. The product code F00VC01363. Application model number 0445110304, 0451103117, 04511034. The QR code. Okay, let's open it. Two types of packages. The whole side also sell the separate parts. The valve cap with coating and some curved letters. The valve roll in different size, different lengths. Okay, that's all. The warranty is 6 months. Yes, the tapes, 3 tapes, cleaner with oil. Make sure the valve cap in right position. The valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.